Good morning, students. Welcome back to the science class. Today, let us discuss about vitamins, minerals, water, roughage, and junk food. First, let us know about vitamins. Vitamins are the nutrients that we get from the food we eat. Vitamins are needed in very tiny quantities by our body. That means small amount of vitamins are enough to us. Vitamins help our body work properly and also prevent us from falling sick. There are 13 essential vitamins. Each of it has an important role to keep us healthy. For example, vitamin A. Vitamin A is good for our eyesight. Do you know, children, why doctors suggest to take the newborn baby to the morning sunlight? Yes, to get vitamin D. We get vitamin D from morning sunlight. It helps the babies to build the bones and teeth strong and healthy. Do you know citrus fruits, children? Yes, lemon, orange, strawberry belongs to citrus fruits. They are the rich sources of vitamin C. Vitamin C is used for the growth, development, and repair of all the body tissues. Like this, every vitamin is useful to us. Fruits, vegetables, milk, meat, eggs, and fish are some rich sources of vitamins. Now, let us learn about minerals. Like vitamins, minerals are also needed in small amounts by our body. They help us in building our teeth, bones, and blood. Like vitamins, there are many types of minerals. Some of them are calcium, iron, sodium, potassium, etc. Children, you may get doubt that we use iron for making furniture, in construction purposes, and other uses. But how we get iron from food we eat and how it is useful to our body? Yes, children, we get minerals in many ways. We get minerals from our earth, that is from the soil. Iron, gold, silicon, aluminium, etc. are also some minerals that we obtain from the soil. These are the minerals which are used in making furniture, gold ornaments, etc. But here, iron, calcium, sodium are the minerals which are present in the food that we eat and are useful to our body. Let us know about the calcium. Calcium is a type of mineral which is rich in milk and milk products. It helps in the formation of healthy bones and teeth. And coming to iron, iron is a mineral that is found in our blood. Iron is essential for the blood production. About 70% of our body's iron is present in our blood. Wheat, green leafy vegetables, eggs, and meat are rich sources of iron. And let us know about another mineral, sodium. Sodium keeps our body healthy. Do you know table salt, which we use in our daily food we eat? Yes, table salt is the rich source of sodium. Now, let us learn about water and roughage, which are essential to our body other than nutrients. First, let us know about water. Students, you all know how water is important to us. Without water, we cannot live one day also. Not only we, any living being cannot live without water. About 60% of our body is water only. Our brain, lungs, kidneys, skin, muscles, even bones also contain water. So, water is very important to us. What are the uses of water? Water is used for many purposes in our daily life, like drinking, bathing, cooking, washing, cleaning, etc. Not only this, water is also useful in irrigation purposes, producing electricity, in factories, etc. In these all uses, the main use of water is drinking. We cannot live without drinking water. Not only we, even plants, animals, birds, all living things need water to live. So, water is an important part in our daily life. Water is not a nutrient, but it is essential for our all body functions. Water carries nutrients to all the cells of our body and also oxygen to our brain. Water helps to regulate our body temperature. Once see this image, children. This tells us how water is useful to our body. Water is used for making hormones and neurotransmitters. It is also used for moisturizing eyes, nose and mouth. Have you noticed our eyes, nose and mouth are always wet? Our eyes, nose and mouth are always wet as they help us in many ways. For example, if our mouth becomes dry means we have to face many problems like tooth decay, gum disease, mouth sores, etc. Water is also used for regulating body temperature, protecting organs and tissues, absorbing nutrients, preventing constipation, flushing out waste products, transporting oxygen to all parts of the body, lubricating joints to help you move. That means it acts as an oil between two bones. And water is also used for supporting cell growth and reproduction. Understood, children, how water is useful to us? So you have to take at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Now let us know about roughage. Roughage is also known as dietary fiber. In addition to the nutrients, roughage is also an essential part of healthy diet. It is the portion of the plant food. It forms the bulk in our diet. Bulk means large quantity. In digestion, our body do not break down the fiber. That means we cannot digest roughage. But roughage helps for keeping the digestive tract working smoothly and helps to remove undigested material from our body. Whole grains, nuts, seeds, fruits and vegetables contain roughage. Understood, children? Water and roughage are the other components essential for our body other than nutrients. Water is an essential part of our diet. We cannot live without water. At least 6 to 8 glasses of water should be taken every day. And roughage forms the bulk in our diet. It helps us to remove undigested material from our body. It is the portion of the plant food such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, green leafy vegetables, etc. Okay, now let us learn about junk food. Children, I think you all know what is meant by junk food. Junk food means food which is pre-prepared or packaged food that has low nutritional value. Children, nowadays most of the people are preferring to eat junk food like pizza, burger, fried fast food, candy, etc. But it is an unhealthy food as it contains high levels of sugar and fats, and also it contains only little amounts of proteins, vitamins, minerals and roughage. So children, eating such kind of food make you fat and also it may cause other diseases. So it is better to avoid junk food and take only healthy diet. See these two boys children? Have you noticed any difference between these two boys? Yes, one boy is eating healthy diet and the another boy is eating junk food. Healthy diet which contain all kinds of nutrients keep us healthy and also protect us from diseases. Junk food make us fat and also cause many diseases. So avoid taking junk food and only eat healthy diet. By eating junk food daily not only causes health problems and also increase cholesterol in our body so that it develops fatty deposits in our blood cells. If these deposits keep on growing in our blood means it makes difficult to flow enough blood to our arteries. Arteries means blood vessels which carry oxygen-rich blood from heart to all tissues of the body. So by increasing of fat in the blood vessels may cause high blood pressure and heart problems. And also it affects on our brain. If it happens means we may suffer with memory and learning problems. So avoid eating junk food. Now let us know about preserving food. Children, eating rotten food makes us fall sick. That means by eating the food which is spoiled makes us fall sick. So to prevent food from spoiling and to prevent the growth of microorganisms, we need to preserve the food. There are so many ways for preserving food. Some of them are freezing, drying, canning and pickling. Do you know about freezing? Freezing is the method of preserving food by lowering the temperature. Germs do not grow in frozen food. We use refrigerators for freezing food. What kind of food can be preserved by freezing? Milk, curd, fruits, vegetables, etc. can be preserved by freezing. Now let us know about drying. It is the method of preservation that removes enough moisture from the food so that the growth of germs can be prevented. For example, papads, noodles, etc. And next method is canning. It is a method of preserving food for a longer time by storing the food in an airtight container. Example, rice, dal, etc. And now let us know about pickling. It is the process of preserving edible products by adding various preservatives like vinegar, sugar, salt, etc. Examples of this method are pickles like mango pickle, ginger pickle, tomato pickle, etc. Now, let us know about healthy eating. Healthy food and healthy food habits keep us strong and healthy. So, follow the given instructions. Eat fresh food. Wash your hands before and after having meals. Do not overeat. Do not eat too much of junk food. Eat food at regular intervals of time. Chew the food properly before swallowing. Understood, children? All of you follow these instructions. We have completed our first lesson, food. I think by this lesson you have learned what kind of food we have to eat, how nutrients, roughage and water helps for our body, why we should not eat junk food, and also about the healthy food habits. Okay children, always eat healthy diet which contain nutrients and be healthy. Okay, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.